Do you like to talk about your favorite things? The things you like the most? I know I do. To do that, we need to use superlatives. What are superlatives? Superlatives are an important part of English grammar. Not only our favorite things, superlatives are used when we talk about someone or something which is at the top level or bottom level of a quality. The greatest, the most delicious, the least popular. Master how to use superlative adjectives to talk about things at their highest or lowest level of quality, and clearly share your stories with your friends and coworkers in English. Keep watching. Here are the basic rules for making superlative adjectives. One-syllable adjectives. Add est to the end of the adjective. Cheap becomes cheapest. There are 3 different watches. The black one is the cheapest. Two-syllable adjectives ending in y. Add iest to the end of the adjective. Happy becomes happiest. Henry is the happiest person I have ever met. He is always smiling. Other 2-syllable adjectives and adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Add most or least before the adjective. Beautiful becomes most beautiful. This house has the most beautiful garden on my street. We use superlatives in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Some more examples. The Empire Strikes Back is the most exciting movie of the Star Wars series. Jar Jar Binks is the least popular Star Wars character. More one-syllable adjective examples. Long, longest. The Amazon is the longest river in the world. Big, biggest. The Great Dane is the biggest breed of dog. If the one-syllable adjective ends with an E, you just need to add the letters st. If you ask me, Club Garçon is the finest restaurant in London.
Let's get that puppy. He's the cutest.
Another 2-syllable adjective ending with y, example. The busiest airport in the world is the Atlanta International Airport in Georgia. Another 3-syllable adjective example. Winter is my least favorite season.
Compared with the other 3 seasons.
It's too cold. English grammar superlatives, irregular adjectives. The adjectives good, bad, and far are irregular. Their comparative and superlative forms look like this. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, further, farther, furthest, farthest. Alex is the best golfer I know. At the summer tournament, he hit the ball the farthest. Superlatives are used with the article the. A superlative always refers to one specific thing. There is only one biggest, best, or most thing. It's specific, so we need to use the article the with the superlative adjective connected to the noun. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Superlatives are used with one specific noun, but we can also count superlatives as part of a larger group. We will still use the article the in these examples. One more example. America and China are 2 of the biggest countries in the world. In the group of the biggest countries in the world, America and China are near the top. You'll find more example sentences in the blog post that supports this video. You'll also find my helpful superlative infographic. This is a great teaching and learning tool. There's a link to this blog post and more helpful English resources in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.